Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today I am going to share or discuss one topic that is based on class 7 parallel and intersecting line. So without wasting any time, let's start with me. First is parallel line. What do you mean by parallel lines? We all know from the very previous classes that parallel lines are the two lines or two or more lines which lie on the same plane and which can't meet. We denote the parallel lines in this arrow system. These two lines is called the parallel lines. If we extend the line segments, it will never meet to any point. That type of lines are called the parallel lines. Okay, so parallel lines examples we can see in everywhere in our regular or daily life. That is in your board, whiteboard, you can see the edges. That edges can't meet to each other. That two lines are also the parallel lines. Again, we can see the edges, opposite edges of the door, opposite edges of the windows. Those are also the examples of parallel lines. Lots of examples are there. If we can see the railway track, that in railway platform, if you go, you can see that railway track also. So railway track also the example of the parallel lines, where the lines are going in parallelly but they can't meet. Okay, so we are talking about the straight lines now, and straight line, those pair of straight lines or more than two straight lines which can't meet, and those who lie on the same surface. So the 2D form, so 2D figure, that means it is in a plane. So the plane form means it has only the length and the breadth. That two dimension is known as the 2D form now. Okay, so apart from the parallel lines we can understand. So it can cut, right? So there are two types of lines. One is parallel line, which I already discussed, and now we are going to the next line, that is intersecting line. One is parallel line, another one is intersecting line. So in the intersecting line, there again you can get, intersect means the two lines which can cut each other. Cut, okay. So if the line lie like this on a plane, this type of form or this type of pair of straight lines are called the intersecting line. Now intersecting line can cut there with four angles. Angle A, B, C, D. These four angles are there. Okay. So in intersecting line, we can see that two straight line can intersect in right angle. So again it has two subparts. That means intersecting line can be part in two. It can intersect in right angle, intersect in 90 degree, and another one is intersect other than 90 degree. That means either it is intersect other than 90 degree, right? So either it is acute angle or it is obtuse angle. So intersect in 90 degree, first we will discuss that case, that when two lines intersect in 90 degree, on that case what will happen. So I am taking two lines like this, okay, and this angle is 90 degree. We have three more angles, right? So suppose this angle known as A, B and C, and this angle is already given 90 degree. So if this angle is 90 degree, so all the angles we can find out. Not only on this 90 degree, all the cases I will show you how we can find out. The first cases I choose this angle, we are finding out the value of A, B, C. How we are finding out? First we take this straight line. Suppose this straight line name L and this straight line name M. L and M cut each other, one angle is 90 degree. That one is given. So if 90 degree is given, So obviously L and M cut each other in 90 degree. We can see the straight line L, and we know that in a straight line the angle formed is 180 degree. So very surely that if this angle is 90 degree, this angle will be 180 degree minus 90 degree. That means angle C equals to 180 minus 90. That means 90 degree. Okay. Next, come to this straight line M. In straight line M, again it meets 180 degree because it is a straight line, and one straight line we know the angle formed by the straight line is 180 degree. So obviously angle C is given 90 degree. So what will be angle B? Angle B is again 180 minus angle C, means 180 minus 90. That means 90 degree. So till now we got this angle also 90, this angle also 90. Rest part is this. So again come to the point of L, and in the L this side again it form 180 degree. This angle is 90 degree, so obviously this angle again 90 degree. So by the same process angle A is 90 degree. So we can see that if two straight line intersect in 90 degree, so all the angles can be, that means 4 angles are of 90 degree. That is the fact. Whenever two straight line intersect at 90 degree right angle, all the angles or 4 angles are of 90 degree. Clear? Come to the next point. So the next part will be intersecting line intersect other than 90 degrees. So for the next part, subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, do like and share. Thank you.